Hello, I'm going to share with you one more exercise how to be more mindful, peaceful and calm and balance your emotions. It's very simple and also it stretches your muscles, so it leads to yoga exercises. So you just simply inhale, you raise up your arms, you hold, you stretch your arms up, you hold your breath and exhale through your mouth, you bring hands to your heart center, chin towards your chest. Inhale, nicely raise up, hold your breath, stretch the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, bring again your hands to your heart center, chin towards your chest. Inhale through your nose, deeply through the abdomen, hold your breath. Exhale through your mouth, release. Inhale, hold your breath, exhale, release. Inhale, hold your breath, exhale, release. Inhale, hold your breath, exhale, release. You can keep your eyes closed, just be relaxed. You can repeat this up to a few minutes if you want. You engage every time as well your mind if you want to encourage yourself to inhale positive emotions and exhale the negative ones. So every time when you inhale, you visualize in your mind how you engage into positivity, and when you exhale, you visualize how you let go of the negative. So you inhale peace, calmness, relaxation, hold your breath, and exhale, let go anxiety, stress, worries. You inhale compassion and kindness, hold your breath, and exhale anger. Inhale the forgiveness, hold your breath, exhale resentment. Inhale trust and faith, hold the breath, exhale fear, control. Inhale acceptance, hold the breath, and exhale attachments. You inhale around 4 seconds, and hold your breath for 2-4 seconds, and exhale for about 6 or 8 seconds. So your exhalation is slightly longer than your inhalation. You keep doing for a few more breaths. Inhale, hold your breath, and exhale, release. Inhale, you go deeper within your heart, observe your emotions, hold your breath, and you exhale, you let go. Inhale, visualize in your mind what you want to inhale, what you want to have, hold your breath, and exhale, let go. Rejoice what you're letting go. And one more time, inhale deeply all the way from your abdomen, hold your breath, look up, stretch the arms up, and hold slowly your hands together, bring up to your chest, chin towards your chest, eyes closed, and exhale. And you repeat this for a few seconds. You stretch your muscles, you do kind of half sun salutation, you engage your breathing, you engage your mind, you go deeper within your feelings, you can put some quiet, peaceful music, meditate, relax, and just let go all what's pressuring you, and you inhale, you gain, you attract the positive emotions, positive feelings that you want to have. I wish you happiness and all the best with